Hi. Recently, one of my friends was stuck with Excel data where the dates were not coming out properly. I'm sure this would have happened to you. And if you don't know how to fix this, let's have a look very quickly. In this example, my system settings are storing the dates in DDMMY format. So obviously my expectation is this. But when I saw the report that I was working on, the dates were appearing like this. You can easily find out there are different ways. One is if you apply the same date with a formatting which has M, DDMMY, you can see this is showing as 3rd of October, but my expectation was March 10. So how do I fix this? So basically the system is providing me data in MMDDY. So how do I fix this? So very quickly, I'll go to the working sheet. There are only 3 steps which are required to be followed here. Just select the data set which contains your dates. Click on the data option, text to columns. Let's click on next couple of times because we are just looking at the date formatting issue. So here we need to tell Excel that how is the date actually stored in the data set that I've highlighted. So I'm going to select the date format and I'm going to tell Excel that it is in month, date, year format. And I click finish. And Excel is going to reformat the numbers for me and adjust it in the date, month, year. So basically now this is corrected and I can see that the values are matching my expectations. Another scenario which I've encountered recently was an output which was given to me from a system which contained dots. So in this case, just one additional step is required. You select the data. So I'll just select this for our example. Press on Ctrl F, find the dot, replace it with a hyphen or a dash, and just say replace all. Immediately, I'm back to the scenario, the first scenario that we discussed. I go to the data, text to columns option, next, and in step 3, I tell Excel that this date is in month, date, year format. And I click on finish and my dates get organized properly. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos. Thank you and have a nice day.